Hi Year 5, thank you for joining me again today for the maths lesson. It's lovely to see you all again. As always, before we get started, can you please make sure that you've got yourself a pencil and a piece of paper ready for today's learning. Now today's lesson is slightly different to yesterday's. We're looking at a 3-digit number multiplied by a 2-digit number today instead. Now, I wonder who's made it onto those leaderboards today. Shall we take a look? Today's leaderboard focuses on coins earned over the last 7 days. This was checked on the 15th of January. Congratulations and well done to Calvin, Elliot and Lola in 5T, Caleb, Louis and Devon in 5W, Katie, Bo, Erin and Rylan in 5P, and Jackson, Ben and Chloe in 5E, as you are the top 3 coin earners in your classes. Congratulations and well done. I'm awarding you each a dojo point for aspiration. For the next leaderboard, I've looked at the top scorer on MathShed across each class, and then I've put them into 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th place. So congratulations to Bryn in 5W for 1st place. In 2nd place we have Alex in 5P. In 3rd place we have Lucy from 5E, and in 4th place we have Alfie from 5T. Congratulations guys, I'm giving you each a dojo point for aspiration. However, I think you'll all join me in sending a massive congratulations to Bryn for his out-of-this-world score. 14,262,223 MathShed points. Bryn, that is definitely a score to be proud of. Congratulations and well done for being the top scorer in the whole year band. We've had so many pieces of work sent into the Year 5 email address, but here are some examples of children's work that has beautiful presentation. Each of the calculations is set out in columns or using 1 digit per square with maths paper, and it has been laid out beautifully in order to help them work it out. If you found your work on here, I'm awarding you each a dojo point for aspiration for your beautifully presented maths work. Keep it up, guys. Let's have a look at our starter task for this morning. There are 4 questions on the screen. I'd like you to pause the video now and have a go at these questions. Remember to join back here afterwards for the answers. Okay, welcome back. How did you get on? You're right, some of the things you'll have done here are methods we've already used in previous lessons. Let's see what the answers are. Question 1 was 12 times 4. The answer was 48, correct, well done. Question 2, 12 times 40. Oh, do you notice something similar between these questions, 12 times 4 and 12 times 40? That's right, this number here is 10 times bigger. So that should mean that the answer is 10 times bigger. Shall we find out? It is 480. Well done, everyone. Okay, question 3. 206 multiplied by 3. The answer is 618. Same sort of thing here. Oh, I wonder what's going to happen to this answer on this question, because it's the same thing that's happened. 30 is 10 times bigger than 3. Absolutely right. 6,180. Well done for giving those a go at home. Okay, so our big picture today is the same as yesterday. We would use a 3-digit by a 2-digit multiplication to figure out things like area, and they'd use the same sort of thing if you're working with money in a bank. So key vocabulary for a lesson is making sure that we use our multiplication knowledge, our key facts, think about our digits and our place value, our columns and that all-important place value holder. It's my turn. I'm going to have a go at this question here. The question is 342 multiplied by 65. I'm going to work it out in the same written method that we used yesterday. The only difference is that I've got the hundred digit to use as well, not just the tens and the ones. So when I'm multiplying the 5 by the ones and the tens, I need to remember that I've got the hundred today, and the same with the tens digit. I've got to do the ones, tens and hundreds today. Okay, let's get started. We're going to start off by doing the 5 multiplied by the 2. Remember, we could cover this over to help us, remember, like it's a 1 digit multiplied by the single digit. We do 2 times 5 or 5 times 2. So I know that's 10. So I'm going to put a 0 here and carry the 1. Nice and small, so it doesn't get in the way of my working out. Now I'm going to do 5 times 4. 5 times 4 I know is 20. Add the 1 makes 21. Cross that out to remind me and carry the 2 nice and small. Now I'm going to do 5 times 3. Really it's 5 times 300, but I'm using my known fact of 5 times 3 to help me. And I've got my place value all set out, so I haven't got to worry too much about that. 5 times 3 is 15. Add the 2 makes 17. Cross that out, and I've noticed I've got no thousand digit, so rather than carrying it I can place it straight into the thousands column. I've just done 5 multiplied by 342. Okay, now before we move on to the next part, we've got to remember something very, very special. Our place value holder. I'm just going to pop that there. That's going to help me lots today. Now I'm going to do this. 6 times 2, the 10 digit multiplied by the 1s. 6 times 2 I know is 12. Place a 2 there, carry the 1. Now I'm going to do 6 times 4. 6 times 4 I know is 24. Add the 1 makes 25. Cross the 1 out to make sure I've done it and carry the 2. Now I've got to do 6 multiplied by 3. Really that's 60 times 300. But because I've got my place value holder, I can think of it as 6 multiplied by 3. 6 times 3 I know is 18. Add 2 more makes 20. Cross that out. And I've got no more to multiply, so rather than making it a small carry here, I can place the 2 straight in there. Now it's time for me to add everything together. I've just done 60 multiplied by 342. Okay, we're going to start with our ones column. 0 add 0 makes 0. Then I've got the tens, so 10 add 20, which makes 30. Now our hundreds, 700 add 500. Now I know I'm going to have to carry here. So I know 7 add 5 makes 12. So I'm going to put the 2 here and carry the 1. Now I've got 1,000 and no thousands, but don't forget the one I've carried. So that makes 2,000. And then I've got 20,000 over here. So the answer to my question, 342 multiplied by 65, is 22,230. Okay, now it's our turn. We're going to have a go at this question together. I'll let you just take a moment to copy this question down so you can work through it with me. The question is 132 multiplied by 23. Make sure you set it out nice and clearly, think about your place value, just like I've done here. Okay, let's get started. So, the first thing I'm going to do is focus on the 3 as if it was a single digit number. Do you remember that? Brilliant, well done. Okay, so what have we got to do first then, Year 5? Absolutely right. We've got to do the 3 multiplied by the 2, which is 6. Correct. Well done. Okay, what's our next step? That's right, 3 multiplied by 3. But really, that's 3 multiplied by 30. And what's the answer to that one? 9. Correct. Well done. The next step is 3 multiplied by the 100. Or 3 times 1, we can use our known fact to help us. That's 3. Well done, guys. Okay, so we've done that bit. The next bit, 132 multiplied by the 20. There's something I've got to do first, Year 5. That's right, before we answer this question, we've got to make sure we put our placeholder there. Okay, now we can move on to doing 2 times 2. What is 2 times 2? That's right, it's 4. Well done. Okay, next one, 2 times 3 is 6. Fantastic. And finally, 2 times 1 is 2. Brilliant. Well, great working out, Year 5. Okay, now really those there were 20 times 2, 20 times 30 and 20 times 100. But because of our place value holder, we know it holds the place of all these digits here. Now we've got to add them up. Where do we start when we add them up, Year 5? That's right, we start at our ones. 6 add 0 makes 6. Then we've got 9 add 4. Ooh, I know I've got to carry a 1 over here because it equals 13. Did you get the same? Well done. 3 add 6. Oh, I know that's 9. Ah, wait, I've missed something, haven't I? I missed the 1 down here. So that makes 10. I've got to carry the 1 and put the 0 in here. Then I've got the 2 for my thousands, add another 1,000, which makes 3. Do you get the same answer? Fantastic work. Okay, now it's your turn. Pause the video now and have a go at this question. 326 multiplied by 32. Make sure you join me back here afterwards for the answer. Okay, welcome back. How'd you get on? Let's have a look at what the answer should be. Did you get the same answer? 10,432. Well done if you did. If not, please don't worry. Rewind the video and have a look back at the method that we've used today to help you. Okay, here's another challenge for you to have a go at if you'd like to at home. If not, the chili challenges are coming just after this, so maybe you could skip ahead and have a go at those. But I thought I'd include this as like an extra spicy challenge, and this features in Chili 3 today. Okay, can you calculate the answer to each side of the equation and then write less than, greater than or equal to in the circle to complete the statement? So I'd like to have a go at working out 181 multiplied by 24, and 112 multiplied by 63. Once you've figured out the answers to both of those questions, you can then compare them using the symbols up here, as I've already mentioned. Okay, welcome back. How'd you get on? That's right. 181 multiplied by 24 is less than 112 multiplied by 63. The answer to 181 multiplied by 24 is 4,344, and the answer to 112 multiplied by 63 is 7,056. Well done if you got the answer right. Okay then, Year 5, it's chili challenge time. I wonder if you noticed anything different about our chilies today. Have they popped off somewhere into space? Okay, here is Chili 1. Chili 1, you have got a couple of questions to complete here. In question 1, there are 3 sections, and in question 2, there are 3 sections. Can you use today's method to answer these questions? Okay, Chili 2. Here are your questions for Chili 2. Space Commander Bob has read lots of statistics about the Earth's orbit. He's trying to work out the answers. Can you help him by working out his calculations below? Bob believes the product of a 2-digit number and a 3-digit number is always even. Is he correct? Prove it. Now for that you'll have to investigate, do a couple of different questions and see what you get. Do you always get an even number, or do you sometimes get an odd number? Perhaps you'll have to find out. And for question 6, we have got 3 questions. What do you think the answer to 25 times 111 will be? What do you notice? And does it always work? So have a look at these 3 that have been completed, then have a go at the 3 questions underneath. And finally, for Chili 3, there are some questions here for you to complete. Question 1 is a bit like what we've just done together, where you've got to write greater than or less than or equal to in between each of these to complete the statement. So you've got to work out these questions first and then compare them. Question 2, Brett has calculated the question 216 times by 23, but he's made a mistake. What was the correct answer and what mistake has he made? Question 3, have a read through. It's a word problem. Can you figure out the answer to the word problem? And question 4 is calculating the area of the playground. Good luck, everyone. Don't forget to have a go at our quiz shed challenge. It's a 4-digit by 1-digit multiplication challenge. Here's the quiz code. It ends on Friday the 22nd of January. Good luck, everyone. I can't wait to see who features on the leaderboard. And that brings the end of today's maths lesson. Wow, you've worked incredibly hard, Year 5. I'm so proud of you. As always, please make sure to send any work into the Year 5 email address, as we'd love to see your efforts from today's lesson. Have a lovely rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!